Hello, friends. Now it's time to discuss model answer of yesterday's question. Uh, as I have already told, we'll be daily now discussing uh, one question, one case study as far as GS4 ethics paper is concerned. So now yesterday's question, let us take up. I will just share the document and then we'll continue. See, the yesterday's question was discuss the significance of ethics human interface in understanding corruption, compliance, and conscience in public administration. Illustrate with examples. Now, this is a question basically based on first topic of the ethics syllabus, ethics and human interface. And this relates basically this topic. We have to understand what is meant by this topic and then our ethics and human interface, and then how it is related with corruption, compliance, and conscience in public administration. And then we have to quote some references, some philosophers, some examples, and then we have to finally conclude the answer. So, and this we have to write in 150 words because all theoretical questions in GS4 paper are 150 words paper questions. So now see, first paragraph, same thing is done because ethics, what is meant by ethics? Uh, Human interface and how it is related with corruption, compliance, and conscience. A little introduction kind of paragraph it is. So this the ethics human interface explores how ethical principles shape and are shaped by human behavior, particularly in context of corruption, compliance, and conscience within public administration. This interface is vital in transforming governance from being merely rule bound to being value driven. Now, this is important. See, merely rule bound to value driven, because once legal thing is rule bound, but once you add ethics and morality in this, it becomes value driven. So, this is now ethics in human interface uh, and how it relates to public administration. This it makes it value driven. Now we will go one by one: corruption, compliance, and conscience, and we will see some references we will quote and also some examples. Now, corruption represents a moral failure where self-interest supersedes public duty. As Aristotle argued, so now here we are quoting Aristotle because he's a relevant philosopher, and his virtue ethics, because as you know, virtue ethics is related to Aristotle. Uh, Ethical conduct requires habituated character traits like integrity and self-restraint. Then again, we are quoting Nolan Committee. Now, this is, as we know, Committee on Ethics in Administration of the United Kingdom, 1995, and they have given a, detailed report. So here we are quoting that Nolan Committee's principles such as selflessness, honesty, and accountability serve as ethical benchmark for public servants. Now, compliance. Now we'll come to second. Now, second that term compliance, though procedural, because compliances are usually procedural. So if you follow the procedure, you are complying something. So basically, it's a rule-based, legal, or rule-bound procedure. Becomes meaningful when internalized, drawing from Kantian ethics. So again, we are quoting now Kant uh, and his duty ethics basically. So actions are morally sound when done from a sense of duty, not compulsion. So this is again compliance we are relating with duty ethics of Kant. Corruption we are relating with virtue ethics of Aristotle and Nolan Committee. And now we'll come to third, conscience. Now, conscience is the inner moral compass guiding discretionary actions. Now, one example of a IS officer from Manipur we are giving, because he has crowd-funded one road of about 100 kilometer in remote tribal village, and he has completed despite it was not his duty. So this we are giving as an example that he acted beyond official mandate, driven by empathy and ethical conviction. So this is a example quoted for conscience thing. Now, this interface means interface between with ethics and human interface, and uh, corruption, conscience, and compliance enables morally responsible, people-centric governance rooted both in rules and values. So again, same conclusion we are bringing, that on the one hand, this is rooted in rules, because rules and procedures and legalities all anyway will be there. But once it becomes ethical in nature, it interfaces ethics, it becomes rooted in value also. So this is now our answer as far as this question is concerned. Now for tomorrow's, that is for tomorrow's model, I will give one case study which we will answer tomorrow. Now this is the case study for your uh, deliberation, thinking, and then you can also arrive at your own conclusion. And tomorrow we'll discuss the model answer for this case study. You are a senior officer in a prestigious national institution. Uh, you discover that some high-ranking officials are manipulating data in national level reports to project better performance. Exposing this could furnish the institution's reputation and invite political backlash. Remaining silent would compromise integrity. How will you handle the situation? 250 words you have to answer. And as I told, model answer to this will be provided tomorrow. And we keep on doing this till October end, daily one theoretical question or one case study. And by the end of October, we'll be covering about 100 theoretical questions, 100 case studies. So this is our target. So with this, I thank all the viewers for today's video. Thank you.